Yeah. How you guys doing? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, uh, 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 uh. What's good, guys? What's good, guys? What's good, guys? It's your boy. It's Antonthegogo, and I'm back. I hope everybody doing well, healthy. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm Antonthegogo. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. So we back with another review. And you know how I do. I review many different things. Check my videos. I'll leave it in the link. So check it out. You know what I'm saying? I do different videos. I collect all type of things. I love all type of different things. I travel. So yeah, if you want to know more about me, definitely check my videos out. And yeah, this one is gonna be a sneaker review, and I'm gonna do I'm gonna do Travis Scott. And I copped these a couple days ago. I copped these Travis Scott. Travis Scott, sorry for the noise in the background, but it's early in the AM. I'm drinking some tea. Make sure you guys drink tea in the morning. It is perfect. I'm telling you, tea is the best. No coffee, just drink tea, okay, guys? That's the first thing you do in the morning. Really good. I love tea. I I be drinking mint tea, so make sure you get any type of tea. But I be any tea is good. Raspberry tea, any tea. But I be drinking mint tea. Really good in the morning. But I got the Travis Scott's a couple days ago. I got it on sneakers. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. You know what I'm saying? It was lit. I got it on sneakers. I copped up. It was very limited. And it's crazy because I was going to give up. I was like, damn, these seem impossible to get, you know what I'm saying, for retail. So I'm like, should I? I clicked on the app. I wasn't even going to click for this size. Mind you, it's a kid size. It's a preschool 12 and a half. So if you guys need this, by the way, well, I'm about to ship it out to my customer. But if you need any more sneakers, I got you. But yeah, I got these on the sneakers app. It was very limited. It released around, 10 o'clock for the U.S. So it released all around the world, too. So, if you guys, definitely check it out. But the Travis Scott's, it released in different stores. I didn't get it in any store. But, this is what it is right here on sneakers. Thank God for sneakers. But I'm going to show you the inside. Now, the paper now, I love the way, look at this. I like this. I love the way how Travis and Nike, it got the Nike Air, right? And then they got the Travis Scott face. So you see that? And this pink, this right here, they do that a lot for the Travis Scott sneakers. Like if you have a Travis Scott, they'll have like this type of design. It'll be pink paper. So it'll be like a pink paper inside. If it's not pink, then it's fake. But, that's the side of, being authentic. But yeah, let's get into the sneakers. Oh, and the Jordan 1 always come with a sticker. You know what I'm saying? It always come with a Jumpman, which is pretty cool. So that's fine. If people be selling people be selling the stickers. That's all I'm going to say. I think I'm going to keep the sticker, honestly. Yeah, I may just keep it, honestly. I don't know why I put it in there. I may keep that. But, made me wanna dance. Made me wanna. If you feeling good today, drop a fire emoji. If you feeling great, you know what I'm saying? Always, it's all nothing but love, nothing but great energy. Always, you know what I'm saying? Especially when you get a fresh pair of kicks. Ooh, look at this. Team Travis. And now these Travis is the woman Travis, so it's called Travis Scott, Jordan 1 Low, Canary ones. Yeah, Canary ones or some shit like that. But yeah, I love this is for preschool, and the quality is amazing. You already know. Oh man, I should have probably saved this. Damn. So look, it come with the blue. It got the blue check on it, the leather blue check on it, right? So you guys can see. Then it got the yellow suede. It's like a suede-ish in the back. Really fire. Then you got the Jordan logo on the back. Really nice touch. You know, it's white. I like the color. You know, they kept it really classic. And then, oh man, the material is amazing. The stitching is perfect. Suede all around the front. Of course, you got the leather part, the white leather in the front on the toe. Wow, perfect. Yo, and then, you know, you got the initials, Cactus Jack right here, and then the check. And it smelled great. Smelled great. And on the insides it said Travis Scott, if you can see. Team Travis, Team Travis. Ooh, ooh, bam, 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 bam. Let me know, did you know, cop? And yeah, these are classic Jordan 1 lows for, you know, for your child. Oh yeah, and then on the other side, they got the cactus print right here. You know, I love, you know, honestly, I do love a Travis Scott. I ain't gonna lie, Travis Scott and Nike, they do perfect collaboration together, always. It's always, and I have other Travis Scott sneakers, but I sold other sneakers, but stay tuned for that. Make sure you know, subscribe. I'm well on my way to 400 subscribers. My goal is 500, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to get to my goal, but, you know, everybody make sure you subscribe, like, comment if you love videos like this. And I hope you stay healthy, you know, enjoy the summer, or wherever you at, enjoy the weather if you can. And yeah, everybody have a blessed day. Ooh, and one more thing, these sneakers come with different shoelaces, really, which is pretty cool. I just realized that it come with the red, then it come with the blue. Wow, yo, Travis Scott, and then of course the yellow laces. You know, you got the yellow laces. And yeah, I think it's a really great shoe. I really think this is a great shoe. Travis did amazing. Shout out to Travis and Nike. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to ship these out to my customer right now. So you guys are about to see that, actually. You guys are going to see me shipping this out. And yeah, today's going to be a journey. I'm going to go to Trader Joe. You know. Dang. Oh, whoa. Fiend. Team Travis, let me know if you cop. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Fire. I ain't gonna front. Fire. You know, do some food shopping. Oh yeah, now, stay tuned for that. So I do all type of different things, guys. So stay tuned. Definitely subscribe. I thank you if you made it this long. Thank you so much for tuning in always. And my day one people, thank you for tuning in always. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's just much love, you know. And yeah, let's make it happen. I gotta drink more tea. See everybody later. Make sure, let me know what your thoughts on this video. And yeah, I think it's a definitely cop. Get the Travis, you know. And yeah, have a great one.